Hi, I'm Bill from Eckler's. Today we're going to give you a closer look at these restored door flippers for your 1955 through 1957 Chevy. These restored original style door flippers are correct for your 56 through 57 Chevy, but will also fit the 55. These will fit your 150, 210, or Bel Air and are specific to the two-door model. Now, the door flipper's job is to actually close when the door is closed, keeping air from getting into the interior. This will actually make the driving experience much more pleasurable, and again, these are direct replacement for the factory ones that often get bent or damaged over the years. Now, these are sold as a pair and include all brand new springs and new felts. These restored door flippers and other restoration parts for your Tri-5 Chevy are available right now at Ecklers.com.